Hello all and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I am Lish the Baker, and on today's episode we are making chewy lemon cookies. These cookies are especially decadent thanks to the addition of white chocolate chips. I personally love chewy cookies. If it's too crunchy, I'm just not that into it, but a chewy cookie, yes, top tier. These cookies are remarkably easy to put together, and they have a nice fresh lemon taste thanks to the lemon juice. Most lemon cookie recipes that you'll find use some sort of boxed mix, but this one is entirely from scratch. Without further ado, let's get into the baking. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And leave me a comment down below. Do you like lemon cookies? Until next time, keep it delicious. Can you keep them outside for like 2 seconds? Yep. Thanks. Until next time, keep it delicious.
Don't worry, I'll take them back out.
Oh no, it's fine. I just needed to finish filming that like 2-second clip.
Got it.